Welcome to the Abzon world and the world full of knowledge. Here we share some topics to you on time to time, and today we share the topic related to Android tutorial, that's GPS system in Android. So first we need to know what is the GPS system and how it arises. So the global positioning system, that's meaning we can trace the person or anybody by this position system. So we need such a device or such a tracking device with that. So what is exactly the GPS technology become a reality through the efforts of the American military, which established a satellite-based navigation system consisting of a network of 24 satellites orbiting the Earth. That can we imagine that system consists of network of 24 satellites. And GPS also known as the Navistar. That means navigation system for timing and ranging. And GPS works all across the world and in all weather conditions, thus helping user track locations, objects, even individuals we can track. And GPS technology can be used by any person if they have a GPS receiver. So where is GPS receiver? That's on our mobile and any tracking devices we have. That is where the GPS on, we can receive it and we can see the tracks there. And GPS working is in three parts. Just simple, we have three segments, or we can say the base behind the GPS tracking. That's the space segment, user segment, and control segment. So we need satellites at the heart of the global positioning system, which helps to locate the position by broadcasting the signals. So, and it broadcasts the signals, and our devices receive that signals. So the signals are blocked sometimes when they travel through the building, through big mountains. That means, and so to calculate the positioning and signals of the satellite should be long. So we need to keep moving around to get clear reception. So first we need to clear sometimes clear reception for this, and the user segment is that we have a device to receive that signal, and the control segment is that this helps the entire system to work efficiently, and it is essential that the transmission signals have to be updated and the satellite should be kept in their appropriate orbits. Okay, now what is the GPS in Android and how we can trace things? The strategies described in this guide apply to the platform location, that is Android.location API. So first we have Android location API, by which we have create our apps related to Android location. So geolocation or Google location services API, part of the Google Play services. These things we happen by the Google Play services, and it provides a more powerful and high level framework that automatically handle location providers, user movements, and location accuracy. That we need such classes inside this package. So, and most important, we have to turn on our GPS on our devices. So before we create the app, theoretically we should describe to you the class location manager. It's most important class as in a heading. The class provides access to the system location services, and these services allow application to obtain periodic updates of the device geographical location, and the specify intent when the device entered the proximity of a given geographical location. So where we have to intend the device, where we have to set our path today, path and location. So these things we happen, we describe to you in practical. Main important task is context, the present context of our activities, get system services, context dot location services. We have to apply this on our activity, and you have to set user permission. One is internet permission, and number two is access file location permissions, because our GPS system is based on these two, mainly on internet and access file location where we are. So a description of this access file location is the permission will give the application access to the GPS location coordinate. I again say the permission will give it to the application access to the GPS location coordinate. That means your app access to the GPS location coordinate, and by it happened by when you have an internet. Okay. The next is the location manager. What is location manager? Get system service, context dot location service. We have to try these things. If there is a security exception, that we throw. Otherwise, here we have three. Here we have four parameters: the location GPS provider, timings, distance, and which context we have to use. So we were provided the name of the provider with which we would like to register, and minimum time and distance you can apply by which the randomly updates to you and the listener for that. So what is the location listener, in which we have four methods inside with that excuse me, where we implement the location listener. Number one is on location change, provide disable, provide enable, status change. So that happens practically. We show it to you on our next practical session. Thank you so much.